Today we're going to be reviewing some Wet n Wild products. We have the Hello Halo Blushlighter, eyeshadow primer, and the Sleeping Lip Mask. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts on these products, continue to watch. Photo Focus Eyeshadow Primer. The name on this is so cute. Only a matter of prime. This is about $5 at the drugstore. I found mine at Walmart. And it claims to be long-lasting, dries invisibly, and never creases. This product is very comparable to the Urban Decay Primer Potion and the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Kind of same consistency, dries down quickly, and like it suggests, invisibly. It's not tacky. Well, the claims on the packaging I agree with 100%. It does dry invisibly. This product basically lays down and gives yourself a blank canvas to start with on your eyeshadows, and it will help to make your eyeshadows pop, more vibrant, gives them something to kind of grab onto, even though this doesn't dry or doesn't have like a tacky layer left on it. Overall help your eyeshadow staying power and application. I've had no creasing issues, and I really like the consistency of this. Like I said, it's comparable to high end. It does what it's supposed to. It helps with no creasing. It helps to make your eyeshadows more vibrant. Gives you a blank canvas, a smooth start to your eyeshadow. I really like this product. Next up we have Hello Halo Blushlighter. So this is like a highlighter side, a blush side, or a blush topper, whatever you want to use it for. Very cute packaging. This was $5 at the drugstore. I did find mine at Walmart. A blush and a highlighter together. So a beautiful champagne-y kind of highlight here. And then a nice peachy coral blush or blush topper there. Personally, I like to wear this as a blush. It's very beautiful. It's very spring and summer. I love this blush. It's so pretty. And I blend it out really well on the skin. Now, these are very creamy, powdery products. Just a little. And you can see it picks up very nicely and quickly. I like to apply these with a brush. This is not a very powdery product either. It's just very creamy. Applies nice and evenly. And one major issue though that I know some of you may have with this product, it does highlight and accentuate texture on the skin. I have some texture on my cheeks, and it does kind of highlight that. Buff it in and go with it because it's so beautiful, and it doesn't really bother me. It doesn't bother me that much that it's highlighting those areas. I'm not insecure about them, but some of you may not like that. You may not appreciate that this product is going to highlight those areas. But very beautiful product. This is a very beaming highlight. It is so loud in your face. If you apply this wet, it's going to be like high beams. Personally, I think this is perfect for fair skin tones. I would like to get my hands on the rest of the shades in this. I really love the fact that you get two different products. Last but not least is the Wet n Wild Sleeping Lip Mask in the scent Lavender. I used this a few times, you guys, and I have to say the most disappointing thing about this product for me personally, this may not be for you, is the strong, obnoxious lavender scent. The idea behind this is supposed to be that it's calming and you wear it to bed. Honestly, to me, it just gives me a headache. It's very strong lavender. I'm just not a fan of the scent. Now, I was curious about this because I was hoping it would be some great lip kind of product. I was intrigued because it says it's a sleeping lip mask. Basically, I do like the product, but there are a few downsides. Not only the scent, but it is literally lip product, and it's a petroleum jelly based kind of product with some scent in there. And it's nice and creamy and thick. It absorbs very quickly into your lips, and I feel like a mask would kind of linger and kind of nourish a little bit longer than that. That's just my personal opinion. I don't know. This is the first sleeping mask I've ever tried, so I don't know. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. I apply it before, though this is how quickly it absorbs into your lips. I apply this before I even start putting makeup on, and by the time I'm to my foundation, it's absorbed into the lips. So it absorbs quickly, but it literally is, I feel like, just a very nice lip product, you know, a lip balm, a lip salve basically, because of its petroleum base and just kind of scent. It does moisturize the lips, nourish them, hydrate them overall, but I don't feel that this is a great lip sleep mask in my opinion. I mean, like I said, I don't know. This is the first one I've tried. I just feel like this is a nice lip balm, lip salve kind of product. That's just my thoughts and opinions on the sleeping mask. I would recommend this if you're in the market for a very high, loud pitched lavender scent lip salve. Definitely. This may be for you. Like I said, overall, I'm going to continue to use it. That there's anything super great about the sleeping lip mask here. But that's just me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the product reviews. Let me know how you like these products in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Check the description box for additional links.